Hiya, spooky workshop tale today. Now, do we all remember this Athol 623? This is what it looked like when it started. And I finished it in a lovely rose gold, and it ended up looking like this. Well, I was staring at the numbers there on the left. Ever so subtly, they changed to blue. Now, the numbers there on the right, stare at them and they change to gold. Now, I was in my workshop when this happened and I thought, whoa, you've had one too many Henry Westons, Jim. But with that, I noticed that not only did the vise not like the yellow lettering, it's starting to go patinaed. You people are very lucky I had my phone with me and I can document it. So this side's a bit patinaed and I looked on top. That's starting to patina as well. I couldn't work out what was happening. I could literally see patina appearing before my eyes. I spun it round and found the same thing is starting to happen on that side. I can't figure out what's happening. I've never seen anything like this before. Look, you can see it appearing there on the bottom of the dynamic jaw. You can actually see it appearing in this video. It's getting slowly worse and worse. I knew you people wouldn't believe me, so I set the camera up to take a shot every hour. This was the first hour, second hour, third hour, and then it clicked. I really am doing too many restorations. The patina balance in the world is out. And I feel a lot of the fault is mine. You won't believe what this looked like at the end of the day. First of all, remember what it originally started like. Well, at the end of the day, it looked like this. Now I'm preferring it before I started anything. And why didn't it like itself looking like this? Okay, from that angle it ain't too bad. And I started thinking, I wonder what this one would look like with green letters. And while I was thinking that, I thought, damn, them Henry Westons really are strong. Anyway, green letters it is. Unless some divine vice power interferes. Oh, the vice doesn't like green letters either. And the secret, do you want to know the secret? Keep watching. You want some shop towel, the blue stuff. And all you got to do is coat it in the special patina fluid and rub it all over your vise. Simple. And the more you rub it, the better it looks. This side needs some more rubbing.